Hey guys, good day. This is Stanley, aka Simple Graphics. So welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I decided to make a New Year design for you guys. The last Christmas design I did, someone made their own design, and it was impressive. It was very nice. The person's added his own image, just try to make it look different from mine, and it was amazing. I love that. Another person also did exactly what I did, which is still okay. So for the purpose of learning, I also want to do a New Year design. By the way, congratulations to everyone in this channel. We've gotten to 1,000 subscribers. So our next video is going to be on 1,000 subscribers design. So in this video, let's just go straight to this. If you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Please do it to like as you watch. Please like and also share so it can get to more people. So I just want to start this from beginning. I already made all this from here, so I'm going to start from scratch. So I've been thinking of what to design for you guys before, but nothing came into my mind, so I just left the design. So this came into my mind. So this is it. This is 2026. So for reference purposes, I just want to import the design. So I will know the placement of every object I did. So I'll just send this to the back and lock it up. So the first one is this, so it's the same size with this. So practically everything I made them here, just the 2026 and the stuff that was imported. So I'll send it to my group link. So what I did was just to make this to star, duplicate the star, add one to the right, and this is it. So I think practically I can actually do every other thing from what is there. So I'm going to hide this. So another thing I did was to put on this this triangle, this one here. Then I made it smaller a bit. I want it to look like a rope, so I just made it so increased it, and then give it this color, a darker color. I picked the color from the star, so I just used it and added it to this place. So I just took it to the endings and to the back, and it's looking like a rope attached to the star. So I just duplicated it and added it to this second star, and also just made it the way I made the first one, and then sent to back. So practically I just locked it. So another thing I did was to ensure to impute my rights up. So I just put Happy New Year. So I'm trying to maintain a single font, so you guys will not be looking for font whatever you are practicing. But if you want to design yours, you can choose to use any other solid font. So I'm going to stick with Bricolage, the font we usually use. So I'm picking this. That's just it. So I'm going to reduce the line spacing, and I'm going to centralize it. Relative position. So for this, so I just had a shape which is small, just like this, and I added another color, my brand color. So you can choose to make a brand color for it, and just leave it there. Just lock the new year. So I added another shape at the down. So this thing took me about just about an hour, just trying to figure out how I'm going to make it a design for you guys, so it will be nice. But this is just the redoing of the design, so it's better, it will be faster. So I'll change this to the blue, change this to blue, and then I'm going to put a write up. You are welcome. You are welcome to. So it's going to be small, and then I'm going to use Montserrat regular. So make it go to relate size, and then make it smaller, and then I'll take it down and try to centralize it. So for the shape too, I'm going to centralize it using relative position, so it will be centralized. And then I'm going to turn this right up to white, or I can leave it in black, but I prefer white. So I'm just going to position it well. So other things I did here, this is practically what I did. I added the right up. Okay, let me delete this. I want to use this right up from You're Welcome, so I just copied that. Added the right up I copied from the internet. Just wishing you a joyful blah blah blah. So I made it smaller, changing the color first of all to black, and the size I'll still reduce it. Okay, so I think this is okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy and then place to this side, and then I will align it to the left. So I'm going to change the right ups there to another one I copied. So I'm just going to go to happy New Year 2026. May the new year bring you happiness, peace, just all that. So practically this is what I did. So the next thing I did was to add a drop shadow. So I'm going to be adding a drop shadow on it, then reduce it a bit to 7, then take this to 7, take this to 5, or let's say 7 too. So I think I increased this. I want the shadow to show well, so I picked another shadow color, which is this, putting this here, somewhere here, and then this to the ending. So the reason is to make the shadow faint. So I'm just going to do the same for the other ones. Drop shadow on it, 7, 8, what's the 9, and 7. Okay, sorry. So I just pick the color, the one I made myself. So for the line I also did the same thing. Added the stroke. If I did not add stroke to this, it's not going to look realistic, so it's just going to look as if it was copied from somewhere. So I'm just going to do only this side to be 7, which is okay. Then the other side I'm going to also make a drop shadow on it. Put this first one, raise this to 7, and take this to 7. Sorry, 7, and we're there. So practical is what I did. Added my logo, the brand logo. Okay, by the way, I promise I'm going to start the laptop design very soon. I'm getting to 1,000 subscribers already, so definitely this new year is going to be more of laptop design. You know, sometimes phone design is kind of stressful. You don't get to express yourself most times because you are limited. So the next thing I did was to add the drop shadow to the 2026, which is just the same thing I did with the rest. Pick the first color, take this to 7, take this to 9, let's go 10, and this 10. So I just want to feel at the background. So I'm just going to lock this my logo, and then I imported the background. I just downloaded from Pinterest. So I tried many background, but I said this is more perfect. So I just okayed it, sent to the back, and then saved it. I locked it down. So the other thing I did here was to add my phone number, so you can decide to add your phone number so people will know you are doing graphic design. Let's see. Then simple graphics. So if you've not followed me on Instagram, on TikTok, please do it to follow me. Simple graphics 1. I have 2 accounts. One is for brand identity design, and the other is for normal flyer design, just like this. So you can visit there for inspiration. So I'm just going to pick these and use a regular font, the social media font I always use. So I'm going to reduce the size. That is okay. I'm taking it down, change the color to white, and I'll duplicate it and bring it here for my phone number. So I'm just going to add VN, and then change this to a phone number 0030737338. So you can chat me up if you have a question on WhatsApp. You can just hit me up on WhatsApp. So the last thing I did here was actually pretty simple. I added the circle and I removed the fill, added the stroke to it, and make it let me be a bit 24, and then I went to the stroke color, go to gradient. There is a gradient that I worked on before, which is this. So just a white color at this side and transparent color at this side. So for the white, it's just normal white. Take it to the ending, something like this. So for this side, it's just transparent. I reduce this one. Even if I'm working white, I reduce this, and just something. The opacity is just 0. So I increased it. I want to increase the stroke. It's looking a bit small. So that's just it. So what I did was just to move it some side, make it have some feeling, duplicated it, added it to this, send them to back. The back should be before the background, just like this. Then I duplicated it again, added, rotated, I rotate it, and then just added at the front of the new year. So what I want to do, I want to take this new year down. Okay, I'm trying to pin the text, so I can decide to just take this down, and then for this color, I don't want to cover the write-ups. I just want the effect of the opacity I made to be on it. Okay, I'm going to rotate again. I don't want to cover anything outside this. So practically this is our new year design. So you can make yours. I'm going to send this 2026 stuff to the Telegram group, so if you're not there, try and join. You can send a DM. I'm also going to add the link to the description below. So thank you guys for watching. Please do it to like, Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.